Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Achieving Alpha, and in this video we are going to talk about long-term investment. Basically, I'm going to talk about another stock which is available at a really good valuation at the moment. So if you have been following the markets, you might be seeing that since the last week we have been seeing a correction in Nifty and in Bank Nifty, and the correction seems to continue today as well. You can see that there has been a very good fall, almost of 300 points from the top. So these are just corrections, and these are actually necessary for the market, because if the markets will keep on going up in a straight line, that's really not considered to be a healthy growth. So this is part of the game, and basically what I think is that market should see some rebound from here, or basically try to go upwards. So if tomorrow Nifty opens up above this 14782, or if it starts to trade above 14782 for some time, then we can expect some more upside. 15,000 obviously now becomes a big challenge for Nifty to break. And on the downside, I think that 14,600 might be a good support. And after that, 14,500. Why am I saying that? We'll have a look at the option chain. But let's first talk about the stock that I'm talking. Okay, so I'm talking about Asian Paints. It's a multi-bagger stock. It has been a multi-bagger stock, and I still think that there is a lot of growth which is remaining in this particular stock. Let's have a look at the return on equity and the return on capital employed. You can see that it is well above our filters of 15%. This is really a good number, to be honest. And let's first look at what sort of returns has the stock created. Let's start with 1 month. So in this 1 month, you will see that the stock has fallen by almost 13% from its high, and it's really hard to find such blue chip stocks falling so much in a month. And I really think that this is a golden opportunity to buy this particular stock at this particular level. I will also show you why. Let's look at the 1 year return. So in 1 year, it has given you a decent return of a 31%. If I talk about the 5 year returns, again, really good, 175%. Talking about the maximum returns, so almost in 21 years, this has given you almost 14,000% returns. So it has multiplied your invested amount by 140 times. Isn't that really great? So let's try to calculate the CAGR, or what sort of compounded annual growth return that this stock has given in 21 years. Now I've already done the calculation for CAGR. So basically in 21 years, Asian Paints has given you a CAGR of over 26.39 percentage every year. I think that this is really great. Now, for those of you who are wondering how I calculated the CAGR, it's a really simple formula which you can see, and you can do this for any stock you like. So I think that this is one of those stocks which has given you consistent growth over the years, because I see there are stocks which run, let's say, 100% in 2 years, but then don't give any return for, let's say, the next 3 years. So I really don't like to invest in such stocks. All I want is one such company which can consistently grow my money by a reasonable amount, and I think Asian Paints does that really well. Okay, let's talk about the financials of the company. So if you look at the total revenue, that's been increasing year on year. Again, the earnings have been increasing, the profit before tax, the net income, and the EPS, everything has been increasing year on year. You can see for yourself. Talking about the cash flow, so the free cash flow has also been increasing. You can see that it has almost become three times since financial year 2017 to financial year 2020. I think that this is really good. And now let's just go to the charts. Before that, again, if I talk about Nifty 50, so on a daily chart, it just closed below its 20-day exponential moving average, which was around 14,850. I think that there might be some upside after this now. Again, a lot depends on the global cues. We'll have a look at that as well. But I think that it shouldn't not reach 14,600. And even if it does that, so 14,500 will be a really strong support, both according to the option chain and as a psychological support as well. So let's have a look at the option chain as well. And here is the bank Nifty. Okay, let's open the Nifty option chain. All right, now here you can see that there are more put writers than the call writers, and 14,500 there are significantly more put writers than the call writers. So as I mentioned, that these two are the important supports, and if 14,500 breaks, then we might gradually slide down to 14,000. Not in a single day, but I'm saying gradually. Of course, 14,200 is another important support after 14,500, but I don't think that we should fall that much. One of the reasons that the stock markets are falling right now is the increased interest rate by the US Fed. So basically, US Fed had almost kept the interest rates close to zero. So there was a lot of liquidity available in the markets, and that was the reason that FIIs were investing heavily in our markets, and now they have started selling. So at least Today they have sold stocks instead of net buying, and DIIs have also sold, and you can see that that's the reason that Nifty fell 300 points today. Talking about Bank Nifty, so let's also have a look at the option chain for Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty again, 35,000 is going to be a very important level. I hate to say this, but if 35,000 is broken, or if we close beyond 35,000, then the next support that I can see is 33,000, based on both price action as well as option chain. So that should really not happen. But again, these are stock markets and they have rallied up so much. So we can expect some profit booking. Talking about the global cues, you can see that US we have a mixed cues. So basically, Dow is slight positive, S&P is slight negative, and Nasdaq has seen some heavy profit booking today. And here we are talking about Asian Paints. So let's just see at what level you can consider buying this particular stock. So you can see that 2387 is a really important support. So this stock has taken support once, twice, thrice, four times, and five times today. And this is also the 100-day exponential moving average for this particular stock. So I think you can buy this stock both for long term as well as for a swing trade. And we can easily see targets of 2600 in about a month, or maybe less than a month as well. So I think this is a really good stock. And the RSI is showing some weakness, but I think the stock should bounce from here. And it's a great stock for long term. You just saw it fundamentally, as well as what sort of returns has it given for you in the past. So I think that this is a really good stock. You can consider investing in this particular company for long term and compound your wealth. I hope you like this particular video. If you do, please consider pressing the like button and subscribe to this channel for more such content. Thank you and have a good day.